today is a Thursday, and I'm kicking it with some of these gentlemen. I'm going to show you them in a second. And they're working on a web series. So basically that's what they're doing. And they're basically shooting or filming right now. That's the taxi man's car, and basically they're filming. You can see him right there, he's filming. I'm sorry, I'm not very good at directing this one or telling you guys about this one. Alright. So basically, I'm surrounded with a back of pretend gunmen.
We're actors.
What is this name? That me like it when I'm the fucking take a rifle. So the man can load it.
But like everybody run and grab them gun quick.
And go like
Grab the gun first. Yes.
Wait, you get it, then hard.
Yeah, shoot. Everybody knows you're firing.
Yeah.
Yes, without sweat.
Everybody cool. Yeah, youngster, everybody cool. Me alone in a t-shirt. Nah, man, director. You never asked me for bring.
Everybody was cool.
Oh, me not gonna have this.
Yeah, you gotta have it, brother.
Me I gotta have this now?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Oh, you want the eye contact with her? Yeah, she move too fast.
Eye contact. Yeah, what it go on is you follow her eye. When she look down on the counter, then you realize what she look on.
I never saw him before.
This is what we want to find. Look at me. When you come in, you have this stand like you told them, you watch him. And that's you don't even say nothing to him, you watch him. You tell me I say?
Yes.
You ask one question, I say nothing. You ask about the belly, still not say nothing.
2, 3, action.
Everything alright today?
Just a minute.
Nah, man, it ain't too long, man. What you doing now?
Boy, belly!
Now, that's for the line.
Man, come here, good enough. No, man, it ain't too long, man.
Hey, let me see it.
Daddy, maybe things are spoiled, man. Say, no, man. Perfect line.
No.
1, 2, 3, action.
Just a minute. Well, good morning, my people. So basically, trying to shoot again. Dimitri production. I don't remember what the production name is. I'm so sorry, I'm bad at this. Anyway, so yeah, so this is basically day 2 of us doing this. So with them eye.
Mark! Set! Go!
Good morning. Today is Casual Friday. And so
See, that's why it's important to wash your face. You never know when somebody will come film you unexpectedly. You know them way there.
tell them what you're working on and what's your name.
I say, don't know, say Emoji Laaf on the Gaza. You see it? I have my actor girl Rose up here, so. Yeah, and we have build up a gun them. And beer things. You see me? Bank of rob later. Bad girl Rose on the Gaza.
So we're about to shoot episode 2. What should they expect without giving too much details?
Expect beer, expect beer action, is what I say, and beer frightness. You see me I say beer unexpected things. I expect some French fries, some fried ice.
What is that?
Yeah. Are you?
You feel it? Come on fast, the Irish now.
Well, upon that, I'm going back to work.
Behind me, that can't say chocolate, but this dark skinned gentleman here.
Pitney. One in the house.
So tell him who you are.
You call me dog, man. And I love poodle.
Not the real you.
Oh, Friday, you don't know anything, said team potato. Yeah.
So what they should expect from your character
Oh.
in season 2?
Season 2 character. A little bit aggressive, unforgiving, and some serious shit is about to go down. You see, no, so that
Hey. You do not curse, love. Bad words.
shit is not a bad word.
It is a bad word.
No, it's not.
No, it's not a bad word.
Say any love interest in your character's life for
Any love-
episode 2.
Pardon?
Any love interest in your character's life for episode 2.
Well, let's see the no one not telling no.
So that's a no. My one burn of mine. So fine here. This handsome lady right there.
Yeah, miserable. Like mother, like son.
So
Less like father,
in
like-
episode 2,
Me say miserable, you know.
it's that beautiful young lady right there. Anyway, in episode 2, what they expect for your character doing to happen?
Dead.
He's gonna die?
Yes.
I remember seeing that. Okay, so he says he's going to die. Okay, let's watch out for see what happened in episode.
I'm like it.
Alright.
Yes. They got my friend also, my sister.
That's true. Oh, what else?
You check out our channel on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe.
So for my character for episode 2, her name is Nicole, by the way. What is going to happen? No, my character will be like emotional. Oh my god. And well, she's gonna do some badass things. That's all I can say for now. But remember, I'm gonna be basically uploading episode 1 and 2 vlogs, and I'll also be having sneak peeks in there. So that's what's happening for now. And everybody have a blessed morning. I'll try to vlog some more for you guys tomorrow. And yes, I've been here from yesterday. So yeah, happy casual Friday.
Boy, God.
So you're behind the scenes of episode 2 of HardDough, everybody. So remember to like, subscribe, and watch episode 1, please, if you can. Let it go viral. Yeah.
Go on.
Yo, Jenna.
The man.
Yeah, this man. That's right. Can you feel it?
Why you not move like people? You don't understand tradition?
She might get.
This is a C. This is a C.
Location I'm here with
Yes, go check it out.
Crazy Pine.
Our YouTube channel.
Oh, you know Dean.
No, not every day I tell them go subscribe.
So yes, we have to tell you to subscribe.
Alright.
And follow up on Instagram. Where are you for Instagram?
That's right. Same name, Rose and Lauren.
Alright. How many video?
Follow me.
Alright, bye bye.
Alright. Come.
I was telling him like in camp park. You see?
Oh, hold on.
Face wash this time.
Where are you?
Really?
Let me tell you man. Well, I see me.
Watch your tour.
Me too, watch yourself.
Crazy Pine, I get driving lesson.
That me I say.
I crash the people them car.
Yeah,
Get it.
Whoa! Pine, I get driving lesson. Rose.
You got them to play out when crowd is gathered.
Hold on. Where I say? Pine.
Drive, Riot. Say something camera behind the scene.
Got the unwrap.
Starboy, say something behind the scene.
Yo, me alone to drive. Feel nice.
Don't crash the people them car, Rose.
Okay, so we are still behind the scenes of episode 2 of HardDough, guys. Remember to like, subscribe,
And share.
share, leave. Why
Yes,
am
sir.
I focus, sir?
Follow up on Instagram.
That's right, because you know I'm trying to get it to 5,000 people following me on Instagram. So please go and
I'm
do
on
that.
1K sub.
You know 1K?
Crazy Pine.
Alright, even if you got 1K still.
Yeah,
Alright.
by YouTube. Crazy Pine. Brother.
Yeah man, big up, you know what I mean, Emoji Laaf. You don't know, we're on the set right now. HardDough, the big man over there, sir.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, Mad. This is
Emoji Laaf.
Matex Entertainment, you know what I mean? One of the biggest, baddest production house. You see me, I say? So look out, great things. Mad.
Emoji to the world. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget. New series that come out. You see me? Look out for it. I'm out.
Crazy Pine, you see me?
Emoji today update.
I know, Rose.
Emoji.
Yeah.
Today is update. Oh my god, let's tell it. Today is update. This is what my behind the scenes.
What's up?